Hi! Magpe-prepare na ako ng food ni Mu at ni Pipay. At super excited ako na bigyan sila nitong wild salmon oil. Medyo mainit pa yung kanin. Naglaga lang ako ng chicken na meron ding nilagang kamote, nilagang saging na saba, konting patatas, dinurog ko sa sabaw, at carrot strips. Then, sabay-sabay ko siyang nilaga, pati itong chicken. Hihimayin ko lang tong chicken, tatanggalin ko yung buto. Then, pag na-mix-mix ko na siya, ilalagyan ko na nitong wild salmon oil by Dr. Shiba. Uy guys, ang daming benefits nitong wild salmon oil for dogs. Dito makukuha yung EPA or icosapentaenoic acid. It helps maiwasan yung mga heart disease. Yes, yung mga sakit-sakit sa puso. Sabi nga, diba, preventing is better than cure. Then, EPA, it comes along with DHA or docosahexaenoic acid. It plays a vital role in development of their central nervous system. Oh, shala, good for the brain. Ba't ko alam? Tanong mo kay Google. Ito palang EPA and DHA, it's an omega-3 na makukuha nga sa fish oil or salmon oil that may improve many aspects in their health from their brain and to their heart. Actually, ang tao nga kailangan din ng fish oil eh. Pero uy, wag mo tong itik ha. Maghunos dili uy for dogs to. It will also nourishes their skin and coat. O mamaya matuwa ka kasi ang ganda ng skin and coat mo, no? Char, anyways, ang tipid nito guys. 1 pump is equivalent to 1 teaspoon. And 1 teaspoon is for 7 to 11 kilos. 24 to 34 na kilos ng dogs is 3 pumps. Tapos 200 ml to guys. Ang tipid, no? Ayan na sila guys, naghihintay na. Sa mga mag-react dyan na Aspin lang ay. Aspin na may nagmamahal. Sana sa inyo din.
Yes. Patiently waiting. Pipay. Mo? Wow, painat-inat na naman siya. Oh, isa lang konti doon. Waiting. Oh. Pipay.
So yan, ubos nila yan guys. Nakaka-happy na magana silang kumain. Kasi last month lang, mga distemper virus survivor tong mga to. Kung hindi na agapan, muntik na silang mag-run free. Thank you for fighting mga bibi. We love you. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye!